Did you know that most of our clients think that we hate each other? Hi, I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of my Dog and Pony Show. Thanks for all the interest in the Entertainment Experience workshop that's coming up in May. If you want to know more about it, you certainly can reach out to me. I'm easy to find. Also, a big thank you to my workshop and podcast sponsors like Electro Voice, DJ NTV, the Disc Jockey News, of course, DJ Event Planner, and Promo Only. So people think we hate each other. Did you know that? You know why? You do know why, don't you? Because of us. There's too many DJs out there that speak poorly of other DJs. It's just the truth. And it's more prevalent right now online, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, all these places where we spend a great deal of time telling DJs they don't know what they're doing, or telling DJs they're not a real DJ, or telling our clients that if they don't do that, they're not really good at what they do. We're always trying to get the upper hand. We're always trying to take from each other. And even if you don't think you do, you should pay close attention to like the next, 3 to 4 weeks and see every time that a thought like that pops into your head, or how you might kind of say a thing that was kind of off backhanded, right? It's not really saying that they don't know what they're doing, but you're pretty much telling everybody that ain't nobody out there who is good at what they do. Only you. Now, the problem with that is that even if you are better than all the other DJs, everybody's saying that they're all better than all the other DJs. And because of it, DJs are not thought of very well. People think that we're backbiting, mean, cliquey, horrible people that want nothing more than non-success for anybody who is not us. Now, I'm glad if you're sitting there saying not me. I really am. But I can be honest and say, in the past, I've done that. I've had those thoughts show up. And there's something weird about it. I don't know if it's a DJ thing. I think it's more of a performer thing. It's kind of that, let's see if we can undermine what's going on by either undermining the confidence that the client has in the people that are out there, or I've even seen people try to undermine the DJs that are out there trying to do a great job. You're not really good at what you do. You don't know how to use this software, so you suck. You can't beat mix, so what are you doing? What kind of speakers are you using? That's just awful. You know what it seems like? It seems like that no matter how old we get, we're still sitting in junior high. Junior high, where we spend a lot of negativity and spend a lot of time with negativity trying to make people feel badly so it could make us feel better. You know you did that. And if you don't think you did it, well, first of all, you're wrong. Second of all, they did it to you, okay? That's a junior high thing. And it happens a lot with those of us that have egos, that those of us that are performers, that wrap up our self-worth in whether or not people like us or applaud for us or laugh at us or cheer for the mixes we do. Look, we all have an amazing self-worth. You do, I do, the brand new DJ does. The 12-year-old, 10-year-old, 9-year-old who has a DJ gear and says, I want to be a DJ, has just as much value as you do. Because guess what? You were there too. And the only reason you got better was not because you did it out of spite, because everybody else sucks. It's because someone took some time with you. Someone reached out and tried to make it easier for you. Somebody fed your ego. Somebody helped you along to make sure you felt better about yourself. When was the last time you did that? When was the last time you took the hand of a DJ that you did not know, built up their confidence, taught them as everything that you could so that they could go forth with the same kind of confidence that you have? Because the DJ that does that has true self-confidence. The one that's standing behind there going, yeah, well, I can do better than that guy. Well, you need a hug. What do you think of this? Write down the comments below. Tell me what you think. Tell me that I'm not a real DJ. Lots of people think so. That's all right. I like you anyway. Thanks for being a part of Creative License, and I will see you next time.